Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video I am going to show you guys a very easy recipe on how to make biscuit, and also I have an easy gravy to go along with it. If you're interested, keep on watching and let's go. Alrighty, we have 1 cup of self-rising flour, 2 tablespoons of buttered flavor shortening. We're going to add that in there. Make sure all of your ingredients are cold, like the butter, the milk, the cheese, everything is cold. Don't forget to add your salt before you add the butter flavor shortening, and then we're going to mix that with a fork. Make sure you mix it really good with the fork until it's nice and crumbly or sand like this. Next, I am using 3 tablespoons of butter. Just use a cheese grater or whatever to add that in there, and then we're going to use our fork again to mix the flour with the butter, just like so. Now I am going to add my cheese. I'm using, I think it's mild cheddar cheese. Next, I am going with about 1 tablespoon of chopped scallion, or you can add chives or parsley, whatever you like. It's your biscuit, do what you want. Now I am going to add the buttermilk in there, mix it together. I'm using half a cup of buttermilk. Make sure it's cold, like I said. Now mix it until everything is well combined. I am going to bake it in this baking pan and for about 12 to 20 minutes on 450. You can make them as big as you want or as little as you want. It's your biscuit, do what you want with it. Now moving on, I am going to bake these. While these are baking, I am making the gravy. This is how it looks. Now for the gravy, you can use any sausage you want. It doesn't really matter. I'm using some breakfast sausage. Add a little bit of butter in there and let it cook until it's nice and gray. And then I am going to add a little bit more butter. I think in total I use about 3 tablespoons of butter. And then I will add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. All-purpose, keep in mind. Mix that together, and I will be adding half a cup of whole milk in there once all my flour is well combined. Just add your milk in there. And for the seasoning, I season my gravy with the Island Vibe seasoning, salt, pepper. These are the 3 little ingredients or spices that I added in there. And for the Island Vibe seasoning, the link will be down below. Be sure you click it to purchase your Island Vibe seasoning today, because everybody's talking about this Island Vibe seasoning. And make sure you guys send me some pictures of your Island Vibe seasoning. And also, yes, I did add a little bit of the sauce that start with the W, Worcestershire. I don't know how to say it, you guys. So I added that in there. I will leave all the ingredients down below. Now we're going to let this simmer until it's nice and thick, and it should be ready before you know it. Now once your biscuit is ready, it's nice and golden. It's kind of crispy on the outside, but the inside is to die for. It's really soft. Top it off with the gravy, or you can eat it by itself, whatever you want. This is it. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. I love biscuit, you guys. I love biscuit. This is it, you guys. Hope you like it. The inside is nice and soft, and it tastes really good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Be sure you give the video a thumbs up for more. I'll see you guys next time.